Okay, let's talk about this absolutely beautiful heart pendant necklace. It's one of our most loved pieces and it's part of today's lowest price blowout sale, so don't wait on this one. It's made from gold stainless steel, which means it will never fade, tarnish, or turn your neck green. You can swim in it, shower in it, sleep in it. It's built to last and shine no matter what. And look at that shine. The classic heart pendant is sweet, simple, and makes the perfect gift, or a little treat for yourself, because you deserve it. It gives that everyday luxury vibe with zero maintenance and maximum glow, and right now, it's at the lowest price we've ever offered. You can pay instantly by scanning the Cash App QR code on the screen, or head to www.JewelryMeTV.com to order securely online. Shipping is free anywhere in the USA, and your order ships out in 7 to 10 business days. Trust me, you do not want to miss this one. Once they're gone, that's it.